Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's a luxurious runner time. That's right, the top luxurious runner of all time. We talking about the Sadie's boys. That's right, the Sadie's boys are in the building, ready to put those luxurious toes to the fire and get downright despicable. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy, luxurious runners down? Or will the Sadie's boys do what they love to do? Take that luxurious foot and put it all the way down to the belly. And I do mean the belly of Hades, and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action! Let's get sinister, Sadie's boy style.
Northbound approaching RPX. It's a Mercedes, wants for speed. We're at 135.
135 off the gate. Yeah, but body on her, foot's in hell. Here come my luxurious toes, devil. I hope you're ready.
Off onto RPX.
Is this him right here? I said right him. Here. What's right him?
Park PD, please. We slowed for the red. We're westbound RPX from the 101.
What's that, an E-Class?
Westbound RPX from the 101 for Park Police Department.
Man, that little car, man, that little Mercedes accelerated crazy.
Vehicle slowed westbound through Redwood.
Oh my goodness, that little thing is gone.
Clear, clear, clear.
Oh, that little thing is moving. He got a entry level doo-doo can.
Northbound LaBath.
He flying in that little luxurious doo-doo can.
Northbound on LaBath. We got a unit primary.
Oh, they got 2 units. Pull over, punk. We just wanna talk.
I believe it is 60. That's primary. We're northbound on LaBath from RPX.
He moving. That scumbag is moving in that Mercedes. He in his baby mama's Mercedes. You know they look like a baby mama version.
From RPX. Can you give me the plate again? I typed over it. I got it.
Got him a Mercedes from buy here, pay here. He paying $2,000 every 2 weeks. He paying $2,000 every 2 weeks, bi-weekly.
He's going. I don't have the plate right now. We're going into the parking lot of the Hotel Fairfield by Marriott. Get me Roner Park PD.
We're in the hotel now. Fairfield by Marriott.
Where's he at? Oh, he went to the parking lot? He tripping.
Turn around.
I'm just imagining this officer with big old glasses on.
Towards Redwood.
He got some thick ass glasses on.
Northbound on Redwood, passing Costa. There's light traffic. Still using the high beams. Ongoing risk versus gain assessment. We're at 60 miles an hour. Traffic is light and yielding. Again, Roner Park PD, please, for this. Set up a spike. We're going to approach golf course here shortly.
He is moving in that little doo-doo can. What kind of Mercedes is that? I can't believe that little car is that fast. Even entry levels move like that? What kind of motor is in that thing? He's smoking this cop.
Gain assessment. No traffic. We're going to go westbound on golf course, approaching the casino.
Westbound on golf course, approaching the casino.
Check with Snow SO for assistance, please. We're westbound. Did we get air and K9 by chance?
Air and K9?
Working on that.
Oh, he definitely moving. They want the airships and the K9s?
90 miles an hour traffic flight. I need a unit with a spike on Stony Point, please.
They calling for the spikes. Oh, yeah, they want this guy. They want him. He moving like a scorned woman. She don't want to be with you no more, jerk. She tired of your stuff. You keep cheating on her. You keep beating on her. She tired. She got to run. Talking about I'm going to change. I'm going to change, baby. No, you're not. You're going to do the same thing next week.
Everyone want again for speed and leaving possible DUI driver.
Possible DUI and leaving and forth.
If this ain't the most calm officer I ever seen or heard.
Below the light, we're going to go towards the dead end, where it dead ends on Wilfred. So I need units to the area. It's going to terminate here shortly.
Is he what, is he going to a dead end? I know you lying. I know you lying.
It always terminates on this road. Second time. Unbelievable.
So this is a dead end? And he's smoking this cop. The cop can't keep up with him.
Area. Stop sign is clear right.
He's saying there's a dead end area at the end of Wilson.
I know you lying. You got all this separation and you took a dead end street? Bonafide doofus magoofus.
Stopping 70-foot bail. He's bailing.
He getting footy. Twin turbo toes. Look, oh, he left something. He left something. Uh-oh. So you better stop, scumbag.
You better stop.
He said what I said.
Police are running from, sir.
It's a police, sir. This ain't the most polite officer.
You got tased. Purple sweatshirt. HMA. Somebody clear the car.
He got an HMA shirt on, sweater on. Diabolical.
There's nowhere to go there, sir.
Man, if he ain't the most proper police officer, pull over, sir. Nice guy. I don't want to have to hurt you, sir. I'm gonna have to put you down, sir.
With their traffic canine.
Oh, they called it in for Ren 1010. Officer Hound. This is like the Blair Witch Project. Y'all remember the movie Blair Witch?
Damn it.
Might be too much. It might be too old for some of you kids. Exhausted. Running a marathon. He running a marathon trying to catch this dude. Them twin turbo toes ain't no joke. I'm tired just watching him run. He exhausted. Listen how he breathing, y'all. His heart about to give out on him. He about to have a collapsed lung. He exhausted. He exhausted. Take a breath, my boy. It's okay. You don't have to catch him tonight. Sound like your baby mama after I gave it to her a couple times today. This the 4th time. She's exhausted. Get ready for another round, you nasty scoundrel. You a little roach, you nasty.
We're still in foot pursuit.
Stop running, scumbag. Let's just go back to the station and get a glass of water. I got water back at the station. Officer Thurman, the determined.
Get your hands up.
Oh, he said I'll shoot you. He's still behind him?
Shoot you.
Yeah, he got good wind.
You're done. Okay.
He ran out of gas on his toes. His toes ran out of gas. His toes ran out of gas.
Okay. All right.
Look at him. He exhausted. I give up, officer. The officer chased him out of his shoes. Look, he in his socks. He got on yellow socks, blue pants, and a purple jacket. This is nasty work.
This guy ran from me last time.
We gotta pull down.
Give me some light, Sarge.
I never ran from you ever.
Yeah, you have. You're coming from Petaluma.
I never ran from you ever in my life.
We cleared the car, yeah?
Yep, Sandra's got it.
They know who this guy is. It's the 2nd time running. Dang.
Easy money.
Not easy money.
Can't run away from the highway patrol, buddy.
Just ran 15 miles. Easy money? Okay.
Can't run from the highway patrol.
Yeah, I definitely ain't running from nobody. No officers in California. They got crazy stamina. He just ran across the country.
Get up.
Get up. Get up, scumbag.
Stop acting soft now. Hold this up.
Stop acting soft. It's wild.
Come on, big dog.
Told him, come on, big dog.
You're like squeezing me.
That's crazy how far they ran. How you let him catch you, man? What's wrong with these young guys, man? They ain't like us, man. Back in the day, you was not catching us with that kind in the field.
Stand up.
Look at how he got his haircut, y'all. Look at his haircut. I can't take you serious. Young men ain't built like us, boy. We can run for 5 days straight on a sip of water. You let us get in the field like that, you'll never see us again.
Please, huh?
How he let him hawk him down, though, man? Twin turbo toes.
Out there. All of a sudden, you care now.
Cut him some slack, officer. Okay. Officer scumbag.
100 miles an hour? Sure.
You're trying to hurt me.
Sure.
Off my ass.
What? Hold on, whoa, pause.
Let's go.
They want your body to shut down completely. You got to carry me out is what I'd have told the officers. If you want me out this field, you better get to carrying. Because now all of a sudden, I can't walk no more. If you want to get me back to the cop car, get to lifting. I need a chopper to get me out of here. I need to be airlifted. I'm not walking back voluntarily. I'm sorry. You gonna earn your paycheck today. If you think I'm about to walk back, absolutely not. I am not walking back after you just caught me before I went through the little door to Narnia. Nah. You caught me at the door of Narnia? Nah, absolutely not. You gotta carry me back. He can't walk no more, man. He exhausted.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
They gonna carry him. He can't walk, man. He's exhausted. I ain't saying feel sorry for him, but man, he young. He ain't never ran like that in a day in his life. He been sipping lean, smoking them little vapes. He ain't got no lung capacity. He only got 10% of his lungs left. He said, help me.
My hand.
Man, just lay down.
Give a second.
They gotta drag you. You gotta carry me, bro. You gotta carry me. I know I made y'all chase me 7 miles, but you about to carry me 7 miles back. You about to carry me these 7 miles. About to carry me. I need a hero. I need a hero. You gonna have to carry me like you saved me. Look, they carrying him. They carrying him like they just caught a slave. They just caught a slave trying to run from the plantation. You want to run? We gonna take your foot this time, Kunta Kinte. Y'all remember when they took Kunta Kinte's foot? He kept on running. They said, we gonna take your foot. They cut Kunta Kinte's foot off, man. So he couldn't run no more, and he still was running. Y'all got to go watch the Roots, man. You young kids got to go watch Roots again, man. Go check Roots out. If you want to see a real runner, look up Kunta Kinte. The greatest runner of all time. Man, what kind of haircut is that, though, bro? He got the top low and the back bushy. Never seen anything like it. Oh, he's throwing up.
He's throwing up.
Yeah, he was running.
Heads up, he's throwing up. He's throwing up, so heads up.
Yeah, he exhausted. They ran the meal up out of him. Whatever he ate today is on the ground. Whatever he ate today is definitely on the ground. My name is Kunta Kinte. Y'all don't know nothing about that line. What's your name, boy? Kunta Kinte.
Catch your breath as you're walking.
Until that whip hit his back and he said, Toby. Y'all gotta go watch Roots, man. One of the best movies ever. Well, we know what happened. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments if this wasn't one of the most diabolical chases of all time. My man was running in the Mercedes. He could have got away if he wouldn't have took the dead end street. They couldn't keep up with that little doo-doo can. I don't know what kind of Mercedes it was. It looked like it was like a starter pack Mercedes, one of those smaller ones. I think it's like an E-class. One of them that cost like, I think they cost like 52,000. I think it's like a starter pack one. You know, the baby mama special. Right here, look. This is the one where you act like you rich, but you ain't rich. You see this one? This is the one where you act like you rich, but you ain't. The one that look like a little egg. What kind of Mercedes is this, y'all? Meet me in the comments and let me know what kind of Mercedes was this. But look how quick it took off on the officer. That's crazy. When your bottom tier car can outperform the top tier car the officers got. This thing is gone. Yeah, I got to put much respect on the Mercedes. Mercedes boys, I got to put some respect on y'all, man. Y'all definitely A1. I'm not even going to blame the car because it wasn't the car. The car was doing his job. The car was doing his job. Homeboy just did not know where he was going, and he ended up going into a dead end, which is crazy because if he wouldn't have did that, he would have got away because this is California police, and they usually, if you can just keep running for a little while, they usually will let you go. So for him to go the wrong way, he cost himself some freedom. He would have got away, definitely. They talking about calling in a chopper to keep up with him. So you know when they begging for a chopper to come, you moving way faster than they can keep up. But yeah, definitely was a great chase. It even got footy on him. They even ran all the way into deep into the woods or a field. So he definitely tried. He did everything he could. It's just his lungs let him down. His stamina let him down. Too much of that lean, too much of them Zanny bars, too much of everything. You know, he's smoking on them little things. What the things called? Vapes. Smoking on them vape pens, destroying your lungs. You only find out when you try to run. You realize you only got 10% of your lungs left because you've been smoking vape pens since you was 13. Diabolical. But with that being said, meet me in the comments. Let me know what you think about this chase. Shout out to the Mercedes boys. Y'all just showed us again what top engineering looks like. Even at the bottom barrel, the bottom spec. Still better than the top spec of any kind of Dodge Mopar. I'm just saying, I gotta say it since nobody else will say it. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to drop me a couple of hype points in the Avengers Cup. I love y'all. Let me leave y'all with some positivity. Only reason you doing bad is because of you. Only reason you struggling is because of you. It ain't nobody else's fault, so quit pointing the fingers. Everything that's happening to you, you got yourself into it. One way or another, it led yourself to this situation. Yes, not all of us is dealt the great coins. A lot of us ain't dealt the silver spoon. We got to earn everything. But some of us is dealt great cards, and we just end up messing everything up for ourselves. And then we want to blame everybody else for the things we do. We got to stop doing it. We got to stop pointing the finger and start accepting some responsibility for the things that we do. I'm pretty sure this kid acting like, oh man, the world is against him. He got himself in this situation, but he's pretty sure he blaming everybody else. You got to stop blaming everybody else for the things that you do. If you did it, swallow your pride, put your big boy pants up, and go on out there and make it happen. Get your life together. The more time you waste, the less time you have. You can never get time back. I try to stress that to the youngsters and the old people and the middle-aged, because I'm a middle-aged guy. Listen, you can never get time back. You can always get money back, but you can never, ever, ever get time back. So that means stop wasting it. That's what I'm trying to tell you. In case you can't read between the lines, I'm telling you, stop wasting time doing stupid stuff and try to do some great things so you can live a great life, or at least a good life. But with that being said, I'm going to slide on up out of here. We do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Pull over, take the ticket, and get home with your musty ass. But if you are going to be a diabolican and you want those leathery, smooth wings, make sure you get you a what? A Mercedes and get nasty with it.